The perpetrators used the quiet Christmas period to drill their way into the vault of a Sparkasse bank in the city of Gelsenkirchen and then broke into several thousand safe deposit boxes, police said. Outside the branch, angry customers said they weren't getting any information and that they wanted to know which safe deposit boxes were affected. This customer said his box contained retirement savings. This one said his held lots of money and jewelry.
Ramai pendeposit berkumpul di luar bank tersebut berteriak agar mereka dibenarkan masuk, risau dan tak sabar nak lihat sendiri peti simpanan masing-masing. Justru, senario ini timbulkan tanda tanya, selamatkah simpanan barangan berharga anda di bank? Seperti anggapan ramai, di mana ada beberapa risiko yang bank tak cover. Antaranya kecurian atau rompakan melibatkan peti simpanan utama seumpama ini.